Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming at you every Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 p.m. Central Standard Time. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. If you could drop a comment, it would help the video out tremendously. And don't forget to click the bell notification so that you know anytime I go live. All right, today we have Desperado Salsa. In my blender, I have roughly about 3 tablespoons of cilantro, followed by a half a cup of diced green chilies, 2 15-ounce or 14.5-ounce cans of stewed tomatoes, followed by a teaspoon of minced garlic, followed by some salt and pepper, and about a half an onion that I diced up. And then we want to add the juice of half a lime, and then just blend to your desired consistency. Perfect little quick snack for game day or any other occasion. And then you just want to pour them into a container of your choice. I decided to go with 2 deli containers. That's why these things are so valuable. If you've never used them, I suggest getting them. You can buy a pack of, I think, 50 of the 16-ounce ones on Amazon for like $14. I highly recommend you do so. But that's Desperado Salsa. Done.